Hello, in this video we are going to check out top 5 best electric bike under $2,000. We made this list based on my personal opinion that's a result of research for our. We ranked the products based on their quality, specification and all other important facts. We have tried to select them from various price range, so you can easily find the best product for you. You will also find product links in the description. You can check everything about the products through the links. Number 5. Brand name, Hemo. Model number, Z20. The Hemo Z20 is the ultimate durable foldable electric bicycle. This e-bike comes with a 50-mile range, an easily removable 5.5 pounds battery for simple charging at home or at work, a built-in tire pump, and so much more. The 3-step folding system allows it to be transported with relative ease. Just unlatch the Z20 single-coat easy lock system on the frame and handlebar stem, and you're ready to go. It can easily be stored in a car trunk, taken in elevators, offices, etc. The 36-volt 10-ampere-hour battery is neatly concealed inside the frame and can be easily removed for charging when the bike is folded. Number 4. Brand name, Richbit. Model number, RT619. Have an unique looking of outer appearance and enjoy a good experience of riding. Also can be a symbolization of high efficiency and high quality life for most commuters. 36-volt 10.2 ampere-hour lithium battery can achieve over 500 times in charging cycle and over 60 kilometers in throttle mode. If only pedaling, it can go farther distance. Brushless 250-watt motor is enough for a short trip. Fast to reach 25 to 30 kilometers per hour, and LCD display can display necessary riding data for you. Number 3. Brand name, Dear Ease. Model number, Amber 1.0. High quality metal frame, easy to install, which makes riding more comfortable and stable. Mechanical front and rear disc brake design, and a 7-speed professional transmission system. Detachable waterproof line design, easy to replace accessories. Equipped with removable 624 watt-hour 48-volt 13-ampere-hour lithium battery, providing a range of 60 to 75 kilometers in pedal assist mode and 30 to 40 kilometers in the accelerator mode. Upgraded lithium technology boasts both lighter weight and durability to take you further. The awesome electric bike for adults is equipped with a powerful 750-watt hub motor to provide plenty of power for normal life. Even on the rugged road, the mountain electric bike can easily ride uphill. Its speed can reach 40 kilometers per hour, so you can get to your destination faster. Select the electrical assistance power according to your needs with the LCD display button. Number 2. Brand name, Shengmilo. Model number, MX20. The electric bicycle is equipped with stable 500-watt high-speed brushless motor and removable top-brand lithium battery which can reach 30 to 50 kilometers to 60 to 100 kilometers under ideal condition. Equipped with LCD bike computer, so you can check the riding data more conveniently, such as speed, battery level, odometer and so on. You can also switch the pedal assist level according to the road condition. Tackle the tough sand, snow or road with ease. And the frame is made of durable 6061 aluminum alloy. Full suspension fork, offers smooth cushioning and shock absorption when cycling on rough terrains, enjoying the stimulant during your ride. 48-volt 15-ampere-hour lithium battery. With the protection of the plastic and waterproof case, the battery is not easy to be damaged. The cycling range can be up to 50 to 60 kilometers and the maximum speed is 40 kilometers per hour under the 5-level PA mode. Such distance and speed can meet your riding needs when you are in a long-distance cycling. Electric and Power Mountain Mode. Lightweight design pedal, variable speed, smoother driving and more comfortable. 5-speed suspension system and 4-link shock absorber perfectly matched to reduce impact. Its design overcomes the difficulty of uneven road surfaces. Number 1. Brand name, Joe Omar. Model number, JM01 Plus. 48-volt 1000-watt brushless motor. Powerful performance will add fun to your trip. The maximum speed of the engine is 40 km per hour and the climbing ability can reach 35 degrees in common road condition. The motor has a speed limiting function. 48-volt 12.8 ampere-hour Li battery can meet your riding needs if you are cycling in a long distance. Battery supports over 900 recharge cycle. The aluminum alloy frame is sturdy and durable and makes it easy to maneuver. Double-walled alloy wheels ensure a longer service life as well as a faster ride with less air resistance. A high-strength front fork and rear suspension bring your riding comfort to a new level. 3 kinds of operation. Pedal support mode. The motor supports you with moderate performance when you step the bike. Fully electric mode. Turn the throttle lever in steps of the power you need to drive the bike motor. Manual mode. Pedal the bike like any other bike.